$15,000, 10,000, 15, anywhere, go 15,000, another bid 20, 20,000, another bid 15,000, 20,000, anywhere, did you want to bid $20,000 on the Corvette?
Let's start this video with one of the most coveted C3s ever built, a 1969 L89 Corvette convertible. One of only 390 produced, this car proudly wears Bloomington Gold, NCRS Top Flight, and Mecum Concours Gold and Triple Diamond. This one is a true blue chip Corvette. It is estimated that this car will sell between $240,000 and $280,000. Next, we have an unrestored 1968 L89 Coupe with only 13,276 miles. This car is one of only 624 built. The car has a Bloomington Gold Benchmark Award, which is the highest level of originality recognition in the hobby. It is estimated that this car will sell between $175,000 to $200,000. Scheduled for Thursday, January 15th, another L89 convertible crosses the block. Yes, apparently lightning strikes twice. It has a 427 435 horsepower V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission. The estimated selling price is between $275,000 and $325,000. Next comes the legend, a 1969 L88 Coupe, NCRS Top Flight, one of only 17 built with an automatic transmission. This beauty is estimated to sell between $800,000 and $900,000. Nice. And on Saturday, January 17th, another L88, a 427 430 horsepower 4-speed. This one has an estimated selling price between $300,000 and $400,000. A 1971 LS6 convertible is next. 454 cubic inches, 425 horsepower, 4-speed transmission, and one of just 188 produced. This one is estimated to sell between $115,000 and $125,000. Also crossing the block on Thursday, we have a 1970 LT1 convertible. This one has Bloomington Gold Benchmark and the NCRS Top Flight Awards. An LT1 is already special. A Benchmark LT1 is something else entirely, and this one is estimated to sell between $100,000 and $125,000. Rounding out the elite group is a 1972 LT1 Coupe, one of only 240 built with factory air conditioning, and this one is Bloomington Gold certified. This is a rare combination of performance and comfort. If you like preservation cars, this one is a showstopper. A 1982 Corvette Collector Edition with only 275 miles. It has the original window sticker and it hasn't been dealer prepped, so this one is a true time capsule. It has an estimated selling price of $65,000 to $80,000. On Friday, January 9th, a 1978 pace car with only 14 miles, yes, 14, crosses the block. One of 6,502 produced, but almost none remain with such low mileage. This Indy Pace Car edition has an estimated selling price of $45,000 to $65,000. On Saturday, January 17th, an unrestored 1977 coupe with only 10,017 miles and multiple NCRS Top Flight awards will go on the block. This beautifully preserved late C3 Survivor has an estimated selling price of $40,000 to $60,000. Another low-mile 1977 Corvette appears earlier in the week, this one showing only 6,119 miles on the odometer, and it's estimated to sell between $25,000 to $35,000. Another collector edition car shows up at Mecum showing only 4,492 miles on the clock. This one has Goodyear Eagle GT wide leather tires, owner's manual and books, and the dealer copy of equipment list and pricing. For big block fans, Friday, January 19th brings a 1969 Riverside Gold 427 cubic inch, 400 horse tri-power convertible, equipped with vintage air and an automatic transmission. This one has an estimated selling price of $65,000 to $75,000. Saturday, January the 10th features a 1969 L88 big block coupe with a 4-speed manual transmission. This Le Mans Blue over Black Beauty has factory air, a rare and desirable combination. Here we have a 1970 454 390 horse coupe with a 4-speed manual transmission. This one is estimated to sell between $60,000 and $80,000. Have any of you guys ever bought a car, or any vehicle for that matter, from an auction house, whether in person or online? Comment below, let me know. Wednesday, January the 14th brings a matching 454 390 horse convertible 4-speed. This one in Monza red over saddle with a wide soft top. This car will be offered at no reserve. And on Sunday, January 11th, a 454 rounds out the big block lineup. This Bridgehampton Blue over Black coupe has a 4-speed manual transmission and factory side pipes. And now for something truly different. This is the 1980 Duntov Turbo Convertible. This one is number 20 in the series. It features a turbocharged 350 engine, wide body panels, and it is a rare piece of aftermarket Corvette history. Production figures vary greatly, but claim numbers range between 32 to 86 units, making them extremely rare. This one is estimated to sell for $40,000 to $50,000. And finally, a 1969 custom coupe with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 crosses the block on Friday, January 16th. This is a charity-driven build with a great story behind it.